Hey y'all, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a toner for dry skin. What is a toner? A water-based product to add moisture to your skin. And not only that, but depending on the ingredients added, it can do so much more. It can improve skin texture, redness, brighten your skin, condition your skin, and soothe the skin. The ingredients that I'll be using today will be 33 grams of distilled water, 5 grams rose geranium water, 2 grams niacinamide, 5 grams aloe vera water, 0.25 grams Allantoin, 1 gram Panthenol, 2.5 grams cucumber hydrosol, 0.25 gram liquid Germall Plus, and 1 gram acetyl glucosamine. And that word right there, in acetyl glucosamine, that is a very hard word to pronounce. And there's two things that we need to keep in mind right now at this point. The ingredients that I'm adding, they're all heat stable up to 122 degrees. That's the reason why we're bringing the temp up in the boiling water to 122. And then when we remove it, we let it cool to 100 degrees. And then we add the N-acetyl glucosamine, or the NAG, and the liquid Germall Plus. Then we let it cool to room temperature. The next thing that we do, check the pH, actually before we bottle it up. And the pH of this should be around 6 because of the niacinamide that's in it. It's thought that this combination does help with hydration and with dark spots or pigmented skin when used twice daily in a toner or moisturizer. I'd also like to point out that this is just a 50-gram batch, because this batch that I'm making is for me personally, just for my personal use. So I've added the cool down ingredients, and then I'll stir it up. And some of the ingredients are a little hard to get mixed in, even though the water is warm at this point. I've measured out 95 grams of distilled water and 5 grams of toner. And now I'm testing the pH. And again, the pH needs to be around 6. The first time that I tested the pH, it was a little over 5. And then I let it sit for a little while. Really didn't have to, but I did let it sit for a little while and brought the pH up. And now the final pH is a little over 6, 6.19. That's fine for me. And now I have bottled it up and ready to use it. Hope you guys got some value out of this video, and if so, go ahead and subscribe. If you've got any questions, go ahead and post it in the comments. And I'll see you guys in the next video. So right now I'm just letting it cool down to room temperature. And then I took some water and some, what did I use?